From Survivor to Snooki, tonight Fox Connecticut's Jim Altman shows us the real world of reality TV school.
So part of the curriculum at Reality TV School is a drill called On the Grill with Phil, where the students get broken down only to get built back up.
Okay, get up. Right on the drill. Impress me. Tell me your story. Who are you?
My name is Kelly Poulos, and I was tortured as a child and bullied, and now I am my own superhero.
By the way, Phil is Robert's younger brother.
Get up!
He's completely crazy,
What is so funny with this guy?
and that works well here.
When you're on the grill with Phil, it's like a casting session on steroids, and I make sure that I get the best out of it.
And if this is life imitating art or vice versa, we're told that a reality TV show about the reality TV school is in the works.
Okay.
TMZ crew caught up with Philip Galinsky, co-hosting a radio show with his brother.
We're here at CBS Studios, and I think we're going to come upon and catch Phil Galinsky. There they are, sneaking out the back. Hey, Phil.
How you doing?
How you doing? Who you with, Phil?
I'm with Boston. We just finished Robert.
Boston? You're in New York. Boston from Bad Girls Club?
Yeah, she was on Robert Galinsky's Reality One.
Oh, cool, man. Is that Tommy Lee, the producer?
Oh, yeah, just leave him alone.
So what are you guys doing, man? Easy, girl, easy. What the heck, man? Easy.
TMZ.com.